The mother and adoptive father of Amber Roussel all settled their lawsuits with Hooters today in a Jefferson County courtroom. No one is publicly saying how much money they received. Now, Roussel's husband settled earlier this week. The civil cases follow criminal convictions in March. A judge sentenced Derek McBride to 8 years in prison for intoxicated manslaughter and intoxicated assault in the death of Roussel. McBride crashed his truck into a concrete barrier on Interstate 10 in Beaumont after driving drunk and racing. His bumper came off and flew into westbound traffic, and an 18-wheeler hit the bumper and launched it into Roussel's car. KFDM's Haley BullThe was in court. She joins us now in the studio with details. Haley?
Greg, today, before the settlements, the jury heard depositions that included testimony from Derek McBride and a server from Hooters. The bumper from McBride's truck remained in front of the jury throughout the trial, a reminder of the crash that killed the 32-year-old wife and mother. In his deposition, McBride admitted drinking 6 25-ounce beers and a Bloody Mary with a shot of vodka at Hooters in Beaumont before the fatal crash in July of 2012. The server at McBride's table said in her deposition he did not seem intoxicated at the table. Not until he was later at the bar did she see signs he was drunk. An hour and a half after the accident, McBride had a blood alcohol level of 0.11. The level of 0.08 is considered intoxicated. An attorney for Roussel's adoptive father said the case is resolved, but won't be forgotten.
When we started this case, we said, this is a case that needs to be tried because all these restaurants, whether it's Hooters or any other restaurant in the area, they've got a duty to the public and they got a duty to their customer not to overserve them so they don't go out and harm themselves or harm anybody, on the highways of the state of Texas.
An attorney for Amber Roussel's mother told us settling the case was a difficult decision. He said the trial was traumatic and took a toll on the family. Hooters released a statement that following the fatal crash, it launched an investigation, took appropriate measures, and began acquiring additional training for employees. Reporting live in the studio, Haley BullThe, KFDM 6 News.